We're going to explain how to update multiple keys within a JSONB column in PostgreSQL using the jsonb_set function. This is a powerful feature that allows for efficient modification of complex JSON data stored in your database. Unlike individual updates for each key, using jsonb_set in a strategic way can significantly improve performance, especially when dealing with numerous updates. 1. Understanding jsonb_set. The core of this function lies in its ability to modify existing JSONB objects. It takes the JSONB column, the path to the key you want to change, the new value, and optionally a Boolean flag to indicate whether to create the key if it doesn't exist. The path is specified as an array of strings, allowing traversal of nested JSON structures. For example, to update the key name within a JSONB object, the path would be name. To update a nested key like address.street, the path would be address street. 2. Updating multiple keys in a single query. The key to efficiently updating multiple keys is to combine multiple JSONB_set calls within a single SQL statement. This is achieved using nested functions and the power of PostgreSQL's JSONB manipulation capabilities. We'll chain these functions together, applying each JSONB_set call sequentially on the result of the previous one, effectively making changes at multiple levels of the JSONB structure in one go. This approach reduces the overhead of multiple round trips to the database compared to separate update statements for each key. 3. Example scenario. Let's assume we have a table called users with a JSONB column called profile. This column stores user profile information. Suppose we want to update the name, city, and country keys within the profile column for a specific user. We could do this with one single update statement. Skill update users set profile =JSONB_set. JSONB_set, JSONBset profile name, new city, country, new country. Where ID =1. This query first updates the name key, then uses the result to update the city key, and finally uses that result to update the country key, all within a single update statement. This is far more efficient than 3 separate update queries. The order of nested JSONB_set calls matters, as each function operates on the output of the previous one. Remember to properly escape quotes within string values using double quotes. 4. Conditional updates. It's also possible to combine JSONB_set with conditional logic, using case statements or similar constructs. This allows you to update keys only if certain conditions are met. For example, you might only update the country if a specific flag is set in the JSONB data. In summary, using nested JSONB_set calls within a single update statement allows for efficient and concise updating of multiple keys within a PostgreSQL JSONB column. This approach improves performance and simplifies the code compared to using separate update statements for each key. Remember proper quoting and the order of nested functions for correct updates. This method is particularly valuable when dealing with frequent or batch updates of your JSONB data.